Patterns are repeated designs in an image. Sometimes you'll find a scene with some kind of surface that has a pattern on it, like the top of this table, or either of the patterns in these walls. In these examples, it's easy to include a pattern in your image since a physical element of your scene actually has a pattern on it.
A bigger creative challenge is to find patterns in your scenes that aren't just a pattern on a surface. In these three images Ellie took in Rome, you can see all the patterns that abound in these scenes, from the windows to the roof tiles to the lines that make up the various levels of the buildings.
In this image, there are a number of patterns that visually echo each other. Let's start from the top and work our way down. These patterns in the arch, the three trees that line up, the cacti, and the fence at the bottom. All of these create patterns of vertical lines that make the entire image a maze for the viewer's eye to explore.
A pattern in a background can create an entirely different experience for the viewer than any other kind of background. These are two great examples of Ellie's.
All of the various windows in this scene create different kinds of patterns on both sides of the image. In particular, I'm loving the windows on the left side of the frame, which create a repetitive pattern of light-colored lines and dark shapes between them.
And here we have two patterns used very skillfully in one image. We have the pattern of the bubbles in the foreground and the pattern made by the three columns of windows in the background.
This image is a beautiful example of two patterns found in nature. In the lower half of the frame, the large rocks create a patchwork pattern, and above them you can see the vertical rocks creating a second pattern.
Both of these shots are great examples of patterns that surround a subject and provide context. In the shot on the left, Ellie got close to her subject, so the entire frame, aside from the woman's face, is surrounded by a pattern of yellow, shiny spheres. The pattern's repetitive nature makes her face the main focus of the image.
In the shot on the right, the sunlight shining through the pool water creates a pattern. The pattern in the water grounds these two girls in the frame and adds a visually interesting element without becoming distracting.
Here are two more examples. Take a look at how the pattern in each shot strengthens the entire composition and leads your eye throughout the frame.
This concludes our lesson on patterns.